So hello once again. Today I will teach you on how to create login form connected to our main form or the form 1. First, click the library system in the solution explorer and then add Windows form. So as you can see, there is a login form already embedded in the templates of the bb.net. Pero kung gusto nyo na palitan yan and you can create your own login form, pwede lang po. So let's try. Pag customize, we can use the Windows form. And then let's rename it to FRM login. Then click add. So let's set the form into start position, center screen, then set the control box to false, and then form border style to fix single. So na-discuss ko naman last meeting kung bakit natin nilalagay yung form border style natin to fix single. So let's add two buttons for login and cancel. Then let's add also label and a text box. Then change the label to username and password. So let's rename the text box to go to name at the top of the properties. Then let's change the name of the text box to txt username or txt user, and then txt pass for password. And then let's add also another data grid view. Let's uncheck the enable adding, editing, and deleting. And then another one, let's add another text box, hidden text box, so that we can use this for counting the number of attempts to log in the user. Okay, now we are ready for coding. First, the cancel button, me.dispose. And then, in the login button, just like what I have said in the previous video, we need to trap the empty boxes. So if trim txt user that text is equal to empty, then okay, you can use message box or label for this notification. So if the text box found out that is empty, then for this video tutorial, I will use label to notify the user. So let's rename this LBL notif. So let's go back to our code. That is label notif, diba? So LBL notif that text username field is empty. And then after notification, it will automatically focus the username text box. So txt user dot focus, and then exit sub. Now let's copy this one. Then let's just change the txt user for password. So txt pass, And then let's rename the captcha, the notification, or let's modify the notification. So password is empty, and then let's change the focus to password. In my project, click open, and then start form. Let's set login form, and then let's run. So let's leave it empty. Magkakaroon siya dun sa label ng user field. Username field is empty. So nakafocus siya dun. So once na nilagyan na natin yon, then click na naman natin. Password field is empty again, and the cursor will focus on the password field. And then, so dito na tayo sa login. So once na na-meet niya yung nilagay natin na username and password, magkakaroon na tayo ng condition na i-verify niya dun sa ating database yung ating nilagay na username and password. So let's go back to our code. Fill data grid. Select asterisk from TVL users where username is equal to, so single, paloob, double, paloob, and sign, paloob, trim, and then close and open parenthesis. Tapos anong pangalan ng text box ng user? txt user dot text. So another, let's add the password and keyword is equal to single, double quote, and sign, trim, then close and open, then txt sa loob, txt past dash text, and then comma, lagay natin sa data grid view na nilagay natin kanina. So the default name of our data grid view is data grid view 1, but you can rename that if you want. So if data grid view 1, the row count, bilangin niya kung may nag-exist dun sa record na nilagay natin, is 0, then mag-hide ang ating login, and then .hide, and then i-open niya ngayon yung form 1, kasi yun yung pangalan ng ating form, main form. Show. So after showing the form 1, let's add here else. So kung mali yung form ay yung condition dito, kung wala siyang nag-exist na record dun sa TBL user natin na nilagay natin dun sa ating login form, dito siya maglalagay ng condition. Pero iano muna natin na once na mali, dito na natin ilalagay yung username, i-empty natin yung username text box. At magbibiling siya na kapag 3 attempts na, maglo-close na yung system. So, unahin muna natin from 3, 2, and 1. So, lagyan natin username, okay, txt user that text is equal to empty. Siyempre, empty din natin yung text ng password. txt.text is equal to empty. Then, Diba, kung mapapansin nyo, naglagay tayo kanina ng text box dito, pinangalanan nating txt counter. So, yun yung gagawa tayo ngayon ng na magbibilang na yung counter na yon. So, kapag mali, yung nasa password natin, so, at username natin, so, txt counter that text is equal to, gamitin natin ang val para yung instead na text yung or string yung binibilang ay nagpapakita dun sa ating counter, magiging convert siya into value or number. So, txt count that text, then mag-add tayo ng 1. So, ibig sabihin, from 0 or wala siyang laman, magpa-plus 1 na siya. So, if, dito na tayo mag-if, kapag 3 na, if txt counter that text is equal to 3, then message box login failed, the system is now and then comma, so information tayo, plus yung magiging pinutan is okay button niya is okay only. So, i-focus natin, i-close na natin yung once na nag-closing na yung system, so i-close na natin me.close. Now, else if, syempre, else if pag dalawa. Ano naman kapag dalawa? Txt counter that text is equal to 2. Then, kunin na natin to message box login failed, pero pailitan natin to message please try again. Then, i-focus natin ngayon doon sa txt user dot focus para ulitin niya ulit. I-empty muna natin yung text kasi mali lang yung nilagay natin bago siya mag-focus. I-empty niyo muna yung text box, then saka niyo ipo-focus. Next, else if ulit. Copy na natin yan. So, else if, kung 1 na, login, please try again. And then, txt user. And then, then, and if, so maglagay tayo dito after ng and if, lagi siyang magpo-focus dun sa, so kapag mali dito pa lang mali, magpo-focus na siya dun sa, since in-empty natin kanina, magpo-focus siya sa txt user. Tapos dito, after all this condition, once na na-meet na niya, mag-e-end na yung ating login form. So, ayan. So, run natin. Kunwari, wala tayong nilagay username field. So, password field. Kunwari, mali yung nilagay natin. So, login field, please try again. Lagay na natin. Halimbawa, mali ulit, pangatlong beses. Login field, the system is now closing. So, run natin ulit. So, A, password, B, A. So, pag nag-login na tayo, so, ayan na yung ating system. So, pwede na tayo later on magpakita ng record. So, ayan na yung system. So, next is yung splash naman ang ilalagay natin. But, before we do that, dito muna tayo mag-work sa ating mga transaction at saka setup. Last na yung splash. Later on na lang po.